Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my beautiful channel once again. So guys, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes and you are spending a very beautiful life. So as you know that, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very attractive collection of crop tops for women and for girls. So please watch this beautiful and stunning video till the end. Guys, in this video you will see more about fashion ideas and more fashion accessories also. We all know that a crop top is a top that exposes the waist, navel or stomach also. As I've told you that what is a crop top, basically I'm telling you, and I have told you before that what is a crop top. A crop top is a top that exposes the waist and navel or stomach also. So guys, well, we all know that crop tops are very popular, and crop tops are for girls also, for kids and for women. So guys, if you are interested and you are enjoying this beautiful video of my channel, please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it also. And guys, if you want to see any other fashion video in my channel, or if you want to see any other fashion accessory like jewelry items, or fashion videos like dresses or crop tops, sweatshirts, whatever you want, so please tell me, just tell me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll bring it for you, and I hope you are interested in this video also. So guys, it's a very beautiful collection, and as you can see that this collection for girls, and it's a very different and difficult collection because it's too fashionable and it's too stylish crop top for you. And please watch this stunning and beautiful video till the end. We all know that we wear crop tops on our upper body part. We all know that it's a very talkative, so, and it's a very stylish collection for girls and for women. In this video you will see such fashion items like crop tops and sleeveless shirts and off-shoulder shirts and knee highs and many much more. So please don't skip this video. As I've told you that in this video you will see such very different collection. As you are watching this video, you may interest you also. So yes guys, in this video you will see more about fashion items. And guys, if you are interested and you are enjoying this beautiful video also, and please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. And thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for liking and sharing it. And I hope inshallah next time I'll bring such a new fashion for you, and such a very new item of jewelry items and many much more items for you. And I hope you like the new fashion video also. So guys, please keep watching my videos and keep liking and sharing it. As I am requesting that please subscribe to my channel also. So guys, it's a very different and a very difficult collection. So guys, it's depend on your mood whether you want to wear these crop shirts or sleeveless shirts as a casual wear or a party wear, or if you're going on a birthday party of your friend or your any family member, so you may wear these type of shirts or these crop tops in the party because it's look very stylish and very stunning also. So guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself and your family also. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye guys. See you soon with a new video. Bye bye.